Nobody wants to pay a lot for artificial intelligence. And one of the things you can do to reduce the cost is not using the $20 subscription option. How you can actually do that? It's a simple step. First of all, you need to find something that is an aggregation and AI app for all your artificial intelligence models you want to use. One of them is typingmind.com, but there's a lot of things like that on the market. Basically, what it does, it creates the hub for everything what you do. So instead of being subscribed to ChatGPT or Google Gemini through their UI, you just confirm the subscription through API. But I'll tell you about that in a minute. So first of all, find something like type like click on a keyboard and mind like mind.com. Then you got to decide which artificial intelligence model you want to connect. And you do that through API. And don't be scared. If you are not engineer or technical person, connecting something through API is very clear and simple. You just need to take the code, paste it from one system to another system. There is a lot of tutorials on YouTube how to do that. But basically, you go to, for instance, ChatGPT, and instead of subscribing for a $20 option, you type in Google ChatGPT API, A like Arcadius, P like protocol, and I like I am. And then it takes you to the website when you need to open an account and navigate to API section. In API section, you need to generate a code. The code is basically called key, like your car key. And then you copy that and paste it to software like typingmind. And you don't pay $20 per month, you pay for what you use. So for instance, I have subscribed to Anthropic artificial intelligence models through that. And instead of paying $20 monthly, I paid $7, $8 monthly. The reason for that is I don't use Anthropic or OpenAI interface. I use TypingMind, but TypingMind aggregate all of this together in one platform. So it's easier because you use UI from TypingMind, not from specific AI models, producers, and manufacturers, if I can call them this way. So this is the way how you can clearly lower the cost. Why to do that? First of all, if you want to scale artificial intelligence across your enterprise, you don't want to pay $20 per each subscription platform per user because it's going to cost you hundreds of dollars per month. Instead of that, you can lower that cost by 80% per month. Depends on the usage, of course. Second, you want to play smart. Instead of using only one artificial intelligence model, which has flaws and advantages, you can use a lot of them. And TypingMind, for instance, is giving you option to compare the results delivered by one or second artificial intelligence model. Some models are good for math, some for writing, some for drawing pictures, some for building videos and things like that. So you want to make sure you consider that. And third, you want to be responsible user, which means you understand what is on the market. If you are a manager or a company person, you want to understand that cannot be vendor law by one artificial model because all of them are using privacy differently, data security differently than other things. So make sure you use interface, connect to API, and understand the things that are important for a specific model.